Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restart your iPhone Air without using a power button. The first way that you can do this is the Assistive Touch feature, which you can enable if you go to Settings, then scroll down to Accessibility Features, then select Touch in Physical and Motor category. Then go to Assistive Touch and enable it by switching this toggle to the right. This way you will enable this Assistive Touch on your iPhone screen, which you will see wherever you go. And if you tap on it, then select Device, then More, and then Restart, you'll be able to restart your phone by confirming your action by pressing Restart. And that's one way. The second way to do that is by creating a shortcut for restarting your phone. To do that, go to your app library and search for Shortcuts application. Once you find it, open it, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen and search for Shut Down action. Tap on it to add it. Now tap on Shut Down right here and change it to Restart. Now you can tap the down arrow icon at the top of your screen and select choose icon. Then you can change the icon for your shortcut. You can also change the color for it. I think that's the appropriate one. Now we can also change the name of it from shutdown to restart. And now confirm your choice. Tap the down arrow icon again and select Add to Home Screen. Once you feel happy with everything here, tap Add, and then using this restart icon, you'll be able to restart your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.